Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope everything is going well your side wherever you are in the world. Now today I want to show you how I make my chicken burgers or patties. All that you're going to be needing is chicken mince. Now I bought this. You can actually do it yourself in your blenders or mixers or food processors, whatever you have. And for the flavor, we're going to add chopped onion. If you don't have chopped onion, use onion powder. Breadcrumbs, I just made it with my hand. You can make it in your food processor. You can buy it. This is a slice of bread I just made with my fingers. Some garlic, optional for flavor. If you don't like garlic, leave it. And very important, you need some herbs. Now, sage I'm going to be using. If you don't have sage, you can use thyme. You can use both, or you can use some parsley and some pepper and salt. I would say that is the basic. I'm going to be mixing everything together, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil as well, just to keep everything together and give it perhaps help with the texture. Okay, so watch me, and I hope you will be able to make this for yourself or your family. So this is 400 grams of chicken mince. Okay, and you can add more onion if you like and all of that. I'm tasting it. It is really delicious, nice and soft and flavorful. And you know what you're eating. No hidden ingredients or nasty stuff. Enjoy, and please subscribe so that the channel can grow, and share with other people that might find the video helpful. Have a blessed day further, and goodbye until next time.